Hi guys, uh, I hope you must be well and doing your preparation for JEE or NEET very nicely with full enthusiasm and relentlessly you must have been preparing yourself to fire in the exam and to achieve your goal. In fact, actually, today's video, I want to make, and I want to give you clarification why I reached at the conclusion for the delayed of the examinations. Actually, I have jotted down something, the points, the valid reasons why I reached at that conclusion during the present scenario of COVID. Actually, first thing is COVID is 20 times more intensified in comparison to the last year 2020. Okay, then even vaccines have not come in a proper way to uh, to vaccinate each and every people of India, 140 crores people. Then means there is no proper arrangement of vaccines also for 18 plus students also, or rather I should say aspirants who have to give the examinations of JEE and NEET this year, and which is very essential because government is also worried about that they don't have vaccines, and of course government is also afraid if uh, this contamination will spread, then what will happen. So your safeguarding your health, that is very essential for the government also. Okay, so this is also the reason for the delay. Another thing, so far your board has board examination, 12th board examination also has not been organized due to this valid reason only, COVID actually. And organizing CBSE board exams is not a joke actually. To the Times of India, either of I think 16th or 17th of this month actually, officers of CBSE have told that it will take 2 to 3 months, and there is a valid reason for that. Firstly, actually our country is very much weak in geographical area from all the corners, either of north to south or east to west. Our country is very weak, population wise, geography wise. So all these things. In one side, if COVID is at the lower stage, in another side it is at the rising stage. For example, this time in South India, it is in the rising stage. In fact, so is the cause. So is the cause many states will be objecting, although today is 25th and central government is expecting that from all the states actually they will give their consent concerning holding the examinations and all. But it's not so easy actually, as far as I think. Objection by many states to conduct the board examination will lead to wastage of at least 1 month, or yours 1 month, because I have written that if it will be enforced to them, if it will be enforced to the states, they will give their own pleas that they will reach at the conclusion whether exams will be conducted or not in their estates after complete analysis and survey, for which they will consult different bodies responsible to organize the exams. Okay. Then sixth point which I have written is most likelihood board exams will be deferred in two phases. In first phase, those in those estates, exams will be conducted where COVID has gone down. Means it is at the lowest level. Okay. Then in the second phase, actually second phase is the most important, because it will take, I am afraid it will take more time. Wastage of more time will be there in second phase, because that is in that phase those examinations will be organized in those states where COVID is at the extreme level, at the peak level, or it has reached at its or going to reach its culmination. Okay. So their deferment of examination is very essential. It will be deferred over there. Okay. So because again everybody will be afraid for the spread of COVID in that case. So obviously, according to the officials of CBSE, it will 3 months from June onwards will go on in managing all these things, like June, July, and August. Complete August will go on. Then it comes September. So in September only, actually, what I presume that I have written after these exams no, because it will be organized in two phases. Since it will be organized in two phases, after organizing these board examinations only in September, because September is the right time for that, because in September is the right time to organize board examinations actually, and that also in two phases. So full September and half of October will go in that, because before that I don't think it will be organized in the earliest at least it will take half of the September, means 15th to 20th of the September. Okay, obvious, but that is one. If that is in that case, I am afraid everything will be enhanced, and again COVID may may spread like anything if students will come closer, teachers will come closer. So I think it will. I think government will not like this thing. Then obviously, and after this board examination only, the examination of JEE mains or advanced or NEET UC exams will be conducted, and you can also take your admission after the clearance of your board examinations result. So these are the reasons why I think that inclusive of JEE advance and all, actually it will everything this will go in October and November, and these months at least 6 months delayed session will be there. Although our government and our universities are quite prompt in managing the academic sessions, so you will not be in loss as far as I think, because in each year, suppose it is a core either of a BE, BTech or MBBS. MBBS, which is of 4.5 years, BE, BTech of 4 years. In each year, suppose 2 months will be managed. It will hardly it is a matter of 3 years. Yeah, and academic session will be streamlined. So you need not worry, but you complete your preparation by the end of July only. So anyhow, with the PYQs and everything, so that you can brush up your knowledge along with the PYQ revision and lengthwise mock-up test. That is very essential, and with speed accuracy, because calculation mistake also in haphazard ways, if you are giving your examinations, practice of that is very essential, because when you are writing your exams in house, calculation mistake will be also there. So you have to control on that, you have to monitor this calculation mistakes. So is the cause I am giving the term speed accuracy. With the speed, accurately you should answer. So be prepared by the end of July, and for the rest practice, which extra number of months you are getting, brush up your knowledge like anything. So I hope you must have understood why I am analyzing the situation of conducting the examinations, your examinations, either a board or your competitive examinations like NEET or JEE, like that. So I hope you must have liked my video. So please share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day, bachcho, and best of luck for your exam. Thank you.